Lakshmi.
अभी मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग. Lakshmi ma'am, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Yes, Kiran ma'am, can we start?
Can we? Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Yeah. Good afternoon, all the students. SYGC Commerce G Division 2021 batch. So we have here the. You have arranged silent.
मैं म्यूट रखी थी, मेरे को लगा वो इधर से जाने वाली वॉल्यूम है.
Students, please mute yourselves. G Division, please keep yourselves on mute. We have organized this online session for you all with the degree college commerce admission team so that you can have whatever queries you have, whatever doubts you have regarding your admission process, you can get all your doubts and clarifications, everything here on this online platform. So we have here Dr. Milind Kulkarni, he is there. And we have the others also, Professor Kezar and the other team members. They are here to solve your problems, your queries, because constantly last almost 8 to 10 days, you have been asking me and the other teachers on the groups, on WhatsApp groups, ma'am, this problem, ma'am, that problem. So we decided to have this online session for you all so that your clarifications can be sorted out and you know exactly how to go about the admission process. Okay, so Milind Kulkarni, sir, you can take over now. You can start with your presentations. Sir, Kulkarni, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Kiran ma'am, Aarti ma'am, our respected Vice Principal, Lakshmi ma'am, Vinod sir, all team members. Kaiser sir, kindly proceed.
Yes, sir. So I'll just share my PowerPoint first. All right. So, sir, can you see my PowerPoint now?
Yes, yes. Oh, it's visible.
Just a sec.
आया?
All right, class, good afternoon. So I'm here basically to just inform you all about the process that how this thing is to be done. I guess most of you are aware of the process, but see over here, I hope you're able to hear me properly.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you. So see, basically over here, you know, we are here to inform you about the in-house process for FYB form. All right, what is to be done? I guess there are few students who are still unaware about what exactly needs to be done. So I'll go step by step. I'll try and discuss with you few points. And once I'm done with my presentation, you know, I'll keep the floor open. If you have any questions, you can ask us. Okay. This is the first step, as you all know. First thing that you have to do is you have to register yourself on the University of Mumbai portal. And this is the link. Now, very soon, I guess you must be having, and if you don't have, then we will also share with you the video recording whereby the entire process of, you know, applying is given. So you can have a look at it. So first thing that you have to do is you have to register on the University of Mumbai portal. All right, just pay attention. The last date for registration is 14th of August up to 1 p.m. You cannot register after that. So you have to see to it that when you are filling up the university form, it is done well in advance. Okay, well before 14th of August. Even though the last date is 14th, it is my request to you all that please do it before 14th. All right. Now see, when you are filling up the university form, when you are on the university portal, you are applying for National College. All right, you are an in-house student of National College. So our college code on the university portal is 163. Okay, 163 is the college code on the university portal for National College. So you have to see to it, because you're applying for National College on the university site, you have to opt for National College. And the most important thing, where most of the students go wrong, is the code for BCom. Please, students, note down the code for normal BCom is BCom with credits, regular REV 16, FY BCom 71 223 4 times 01. This is the code for BCom. If you write BCom A and F with credits, that is BAF. Please note this. This is very important, because see, what happens is many a times when we are verifying the form, we have to reject your form, then we have to call you up stating that you filled the wrong form. So all of you, please note down that if you're applying for plain BCom, the code on the university online portal is BCom with credits, regular REV 16, FY BCom 71 223 4 times 01. All right. Agar 4 times 02 ho jayega, it is BAF. Get the thing very clear. All right. So you have to fill up the university form. Just remember about the college code and the course code. They are very, very important. It has to be of National College only. Many a times what happens is when I tell the students that you have to fill this BCom form, they will select the correct course, but college koi aur select karte. Like today in the morning, there was a student, he had selected Raheja College. So that will not be accepted. So this is the first thing. The most important thing is filling up the university form. After that, the next thing that you have to do, again, which is very important, is you have to apply at the college portal as well. College ki site ke upar bhi aake you have to register, and we have already provided you with the link over here also. Even if you go to our college website, rdnational.ac.in, under the tab for admission and notices, you will get the entire thing. Please note down, students, you have to compulsorily apply on the college portal as well. आप लोग को junior college में, when you applied for 11th, you had to only fill one form, and that was the board form. But over here, you have to fill two forms, and both of them are very, very important. First is the university form, and second is the college form. All right, you have to first fill the college form, fill up all the details. You have to pay 100 rupees registration fees. I repeat, while registering, when you're applying on the college portal, you have to use this link. You have to fill up the entire form, enter all your details. You may have to upload a few documents like your university form, your 12th standard mark list, and your Aadhaar card. So these are the three documents that we would require. And along with that, students, please note, you have to pay 100 rupees as registration fees. All right. Once you pay the registration fee and once you confirm your application, I repeat, once you pay the registration fees and once you confirm the application, then only we can process it, we can verify it, and we can proceed further. All right. Now see, once you have paid the registration fee, once you have confirmed your application, then we will process it. Okay, we'll try our level best that we process it as soon as possible. So once it has been verified from our end, you will immediately receive an SMS for fee payment. All right, you will immediately receive an SMS for payment of fees, and it will also have the link for payment. So you just have to click on that link. That will be this link, feepayer.com. You have to enter your registration number, your password, and you can make the payment. All right. See, you can.
Kesar sir,
Yes,
sir, there's one very important query I want to just ask. I'm sorry I'm interrupting you, but this is really quite important. Now, these 12th standard students, now they have not received their mark sheets. They just have an online printout. Mark sheets will come only after maybe 8 to 10 days.
Kiran,
Before the Rashi board
Ma'am, I think Namrata ma'am is here.
Kiran, ma'am,
Yes.
we already have the in-house student list.
Okay.
We know
okay,
they have
okay.
not been given the mark sheet. So we
Okay.
are considering them. So
Okay.
once they get their mark sheet, we will be taking it over from there. There will be a
Okay.
physical verification later.
Okay, fine. That's okay. Then no issues. Absolutely fine. Okay.
All right.
No problem. Carry on,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Carry on.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So people, it's very clearly said by Namrata ma'am, who is our admission in charge, that at present, if you don't have your mark sheet, whatever proof you have, you can attach it. But please ensure that it has your name very clearly mentioned, your year clearly mentioned, and your marks clearly mentioned. All right. That thing you have to.
Can I interrupt you?
Yes, ma'am.
Only if there is any student who has logged in, who has a gap, who is a HSC passed out from National College, those students will not be considered for direct admission. They will appear as outsider.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So I was talking to you all about, receiving an SMS for payment of fees. Now, see, students, most of the students will receive the message for fee payment. But by chance, let us say you have applied and 2 to 3 days have passed and you have not received the message, you please log into feepayer.com and check. You just enter your user ID and password, you will be able to pay your fees. At times, it may so happen that you will not receive the message, but still you can make the payment. Please note, students, the last date for payment of fees is 14th August up to 11 p.m. All right, you have to anyhow make the payment before this. And you can use any medium for online payment. Okay, you can use your debit card, you can pay via credit card, even UPI is completely fine with us. All right, but just pay attention to this date. All right, now something that's pretty important.
As a RuPay card.
हाँ ma'am. Another important thing is people see MasterCard and Visa card agar aapke paas hai, then that is not an issue. But if you are making payment via a RuPay card, you may face an issue. All right. So it is a suggestion that if possible, if it is possible for you, please avoid RuPay card. All right. It may not work on the portal. All right. Now, see, there are a few important things that I need to discuss with you all. See, right now you are an in-house student. Now, what is the definition of in-house? All right. In-house means you were there in National College. You have done your SYJC in National College in commerce stream during the year 2021. Then only you are considered as an in-house student. If you have failed previously and this year you have cleared, or you have done your SYJC in science stream or an art stream, even though you're from National College, you will not be considered as an in-house here. Only those students who have appeared during the year 2021 SYJC Commerce from National College, only they are considered as in-house students. All right. Now see, the fees for the entire year of FYBCom is 4435. All right. Now this is as per the new directives that we have received from the university. These are your fees. It's 4435. Now, something that I need to tell you all, see this in-house admissions you have only and only for FYBCom. So you have to see to it that you secure your admissions, before the deadline. Like 14th August se pehle, you have to see to it that you secure your admission. Because if you do not secure your admission by 14th of August, after that, you will not be considered as an in-house student. You will be treated as an outsider only. Even though you have passed your 12th standard in this year only from National College, then too, if you do not secure your admission within 14th of August, you will be considered as an outsider. Now say this in-house admissions, you only have an FYBCom. You do not have in-house quota for BAF, BMS and BMM. Are you understanding this? Wahan pe, even though you are from National College, you are applying in National College, but there is no in-house quota. You will have to compete with outsiders. Okay, it is open to all. Please understand, BAF, BMS and BMM, there is no in-house quota as such. All are treated at par. In-house, you only have in BCom, BSc and BA. Is this point clear to you all? So if you're applying for BAF, if you're applying for BMS or BMM, you will not get the benefit of in-house quota. That is not applicable. The second thing that I would, yes, ma'am.
BSc IT.
Yeah, even for BSc IT, there is no in-house quota.
And students who don't have maths in 12th standard are not eligible for BSc IT.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm interrupting. Namrata, this is just for commerce.
I know
as of
commerce
now.
also has IT. BSc
No, but
IT.
they are allowed to take.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
they can.
yes,
Oh, okay, please.
Yes.
This is even I didn't know. Good.
yes.
Okay,
yes.
okay.
Okay. Now, see, another important thing that I would like to tell you all. See, the total seats that we have for FYBCom is 240. Matlab, we can admit 240 students in FYBCom. Whereas if you go to BAF, BMM and BMS, for BAF, there are only 60 seats. BMM 120 seats and BMS also 120 seats. And usme se also in BMN and BMS, there is, stream-wise bifurcation. Like for BMS, only 50% seats are reserved for commerce, 25 for arts and 25% for science stream as well. So out of 120 seats of BMS, only 60 seats are reserved for commerce. And secondly, Sindhi quota bhi aayega. Similarly, when you go to BMM, out of the 120 seats, only 25% seats are available for commerce. I repeat, only 25% of the 120 seats are available for commerce. And BAF ke andar, there are 60 seats, but out of 60 seats, 50% is Sindhi quota. Okay. So my advice to y'all is, what is my suggestion is that if you want to try for BAF, BMS, BMM, please do try. We are not stopping you. But first, secure your admission. BCom में अगर आपको मिल रहा है, first secure it, and then you can try for BAF, BMM, BMS, whatever, BSc IT, whatever you want to try, please do try. We are not stopping you. But if you are getting an admission in in-house quota, our suggestion is first secure your admission. You can try in BAF and BMS later on also. But first thing and the most important thing is that you have to secure your admission, because see, as I told you, you will be considered in-house only till 14th of August, and pura process should get over on the 14th. I called a student yesterday, he said, sir, बहुत time है, 14th तक है, मैं कर लूंगा. You have to finish everything, your university form, your college form. We have to verify your payment of fees. The entire process should get over by 14th. Is that thing clear to you all? Now, again, yesterday a student called me up and he was like, yes, sir, what if I want to cancel my admission at a later stage? That is also possible. See, we have written over here, if you want that, today you secure your admission and tomorrow, if you get in some other course in some other college also, you are free to cancel your admission. Okay, these are the deductions that we will make, but we will cancel your admission from BCom if you get in some other course or some other course.
Can I interrupt?
Yes, ma'am.
These are guidelines as of today.
Yeah,
If
exactly.
the university comes up with some new guideline, we will follow it accordingly.
Yeah, surely. And see, people, if you have any doubts, any queries, any problem, kuch bhi problem hai regarding FY BCom admissions, you can call me. Okay, my name is Kaizad and this is my number. Advisable, if you want to call me in the afternoon, because morning mein lecture rahega. But if it is very important, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, even in the mornings, you can WhatsApp me. If you want to call and have an interaction from 2 to 6 p.m., you can give me a call. All right. See, any doubts, any queries, whatever you want to ask me regarding commerce or admissions, you can give me a call. Okay, my number is available and we will also share it on your groups as well. So with this, the floor is open for question and answer. So people, that's it from my end. This is what you have to do. If there are more questions that you need to ask me,
Kaizad, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I just continue from where Kaizad has left. Just as you are an in-house of National College, in-house student of National College, there will be students in other colleges also where it will be an in-house quota. So if you feel that you will not take a commerce admission now here at National College, remember any other college also securing a BCom admission will be very difficult. I'm talking about all reputed college. Securing a BCom admission will be very difficult because they will first cater to their in-house students. So by 14th, almost all commerce seats in all colleges will be done with, because all colleges in junior college have 3 times the commerce students than the number of seats available in degree college for BCom. So please see to it that you take that right of having an in-house direct admission and take your admissions before 14th of August, night 11 p.m. with filling up of university forms up to 14th of August, afternoon 1 p.m. After 1 p.m. in the afternoon, university registration forms will be closed. So please see to it, you reserve your in-house FY BCom seats. Thank you.
Namrata ma'am, if you give me the permission, I would just like to share this document.
Yeah, please.
Now see, students, this is for your information. See, in BAF, BCom ANF is BAF, there are only 60 seats, out of which 50% seats will go to Sindhi students, and only balance 50% seats will be for non-Sindhi. So non-Sindhi students, if you're applying for BAF, only 30 seats are there as of now. If it is BMS, total seats are 120, but out of that 120, 60 seats are only for Sindhi students, and non-Sindhi, you only have 60 seats. And out of this 60 seats, only 30 seats are there for commerce. So if you are a non-Sindhi and if you are applying for BMS, only 30 seats are there effectively right now. So agreed, this year, you have scored very well, congratulations, but even others have scored equally well. And see, as I told you all, that BMS does not have an in-house quota. From entire India, anyone can apply. So if you have scored 90, remember there are CBSE
Direction
students.
from entire world,
Yeah, entire
international
world. I'm so
students.
sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry. Entire world. So if you have scored very well, remember there are CBSE students who have scored equally well. In fact, there are students securing 97 and 98%. And I'm not lying. I'm not over exaggerating. You can check this thing. All right. So you have to compete with them. So you can take a call for yourself. Same thing for BMM. BMM has 120 seats. Usme is also 60 is for Sindhi and 60 is non-Sindhi. So again, if you are non-Sindhi, for commerce only, there are 15 seats in our college. And this type of reservation is there for all the colleges. Like even MMK will follow the same pattern. Andrews, instead of Sindhi, it will be Christian minority college, and even other colleges have their own minority reservations. So my suggestion
There is
is
no minority reservation, then there is the caste reservation.
yes.
There again, 50% will go to the various caste communities, and the rest of the 50% will be for the open quota. So please keep in mind that there are reservations apart from minority. There are caste reservations also. Think before you move.
So that is our suggestion, that first, please secure your admission. And after that, if you want to try, please try. See, we are not stopping you, but our only advice to you all is that please secure your admission. Because see what happens, Namrata would agree with me, that students wait for the merit list to come. चलो देख लेते हैं पहली मेरिट लिस्ट में मेरा नाम आता है कि नहीं, BAF and BMS. And when their name does not turn up, then they start panicking. And then they come to us and they're like, I'm an in-house student, मैंने तो BCom यहाँ से किया है.
And
Remember,
to add to what Kezat sir has said, they then come up for an in-house seat, which they don't get. And the other thing is 90% today is just a number. Everyone has it. So every BMS, BMM, BAF, BFM, every college will have a very high cutoff.
So this goes to show, Namrata, that the competition is going to be really cutthroat this time. Very, very strict
It is
competition.
very strict, very, very bad competition. It's like you don't know where you stand.
Yeah, exactly. But
And
everybody.
the other thing is
Yeah.
it will be advisable. As we said, we are here
Right.
only to advise. We are not forcing you. It will be advisable. You secure a seat. And then you do and wait for merit list.
Right.
No problem. The merit list is on 17th, but the in-house admission stops on 14th, 1 p.m. Meaning the eligibility forms and everything after you fill in enrollment university forms, 1 p.m. you can consider that you stop with all filling up of forms, and 11 in the night, you finish filling up of fees. So on 13th, 11 in the night, we have stopped in-house admission forms. 13th, 11 in the night, because it'll be too late otherwise, giving admissions to all. See to it, you work on it to your best.
Students, SYJC students, G division, I think you have heard what the teachers have said. There isn't much time left. Today we are already 11th August, and you have only 2 days more, 2.5 days more. And as they have all said, this time the percentages, everybody's students have scored very high percentages. So the competition is going to be very cutthroat and severe competition, and you have to be very cautious. So if you have any questions to ask, the team is here. Kezat sir is there, Namrata ma'am is there. You can always put forth your queries.
Dear student, if you have any question, you can unmute and
Can I
can ask.
just interject a little? Or
Yes,
just I have one point, taking off from where Kiran ma'am spoke. See, Namrata ma'am and Kezat sir and Kiran ma'am have reiterated that it's going to be a cutthroat competition. I will look at it as a little different. This is your safety net. Why do you all want to give it up? This is something that you have. It is rightfully yours. Take it and keep it.
Right.
And after that, you do your thinking. Later on, don't wake up and say that, oh, I should have done. That's the main reason why we have included the degree college, and you're hearing it from the horse's mouth.
One thing which I would like to say, At this point only, up to 14th only you can fill your BAF BMS forms. So keep filling those forms up to 14th along with the BCom form. Take the BCom admission and wait for the merit list.
Exactly.
Sure.
So basically your safety net is BCom. Do it. Don't wake up later and then you cannot say I should have done. And because you are all our students, we are making sure you get the right advice. We are making sure that you are guided in the right way. Thank you.
So students, you have any queries? You have anything to say? You wish to ask anything? The team is present here. All the members, admission team members are present here. You can get your
Miss,
doubts
I have a
clarified.
doubt.
Yeah.
Yes, Rohit.
Sir,
Please
I have
introduce yourself.
done the
Hello,
registration.
student, please introduce yourself before placing your doubt on the floor. Please just
Okay, ma'am.
introduce yourself. Yeah.
Myself, Rohit Mondal
Yes, Rohit.
from G Division, roll number 51.
Mhm.
So I have registered my form and I have received the email for the payment,
Yes.
but I'm not able to pay the fees. There is some error in the website.
Give me 2 minutes. Yesterday there was a problem with the payment. Today morning everything is proper. Yesterday there were some technical errors. The company, the Mastersoft company, which is a vendor, was undergoing some updates. Today it's all possible.
So I can pay today now, ma'am.
Yes, yes, sure.
Absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Myself, Mohammad Arman Sheikh. Hello.
Yes, yes, we are listening to you.
Sir, I want to say that I have started the registration for civil engineering in Sabu Siddiq College. I want to take admission in civil engineering. So I can register the BCom form now.
But are
You
you
are
an
a
in-house
science
student?
student?
Yes, ma'am. I am a in-house student.
Are
No,
you a
but
science student?
science or commerce student?
Commerce. I want to start diploma in civil engineering.
Diploma. Okay.
But if you want to secure your admission here, you are free to do that.
Sir, I can secure my admission in this national college for
Yes,
BCom.
Yes, yes.
So now I can start the procedure, sir.
Yes, yes, you
Computer?
can. You can start it. But
So
first you fill the university
afterward,
form.
I can cancel my admission now if I
Yes,
got
yes,
admission in
yes,
diploma.
100%.
Yes,
100%.
definitely.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Surely.
Yes, students, any query?
See,
Hello.
hello students, will share the PPT with you. Okay, it will be posted in your group so that you have my number and you have all the important links. See, people, again, I'm telling you, if you have filled the university form, college form, you have paid 100 rupees and you have confirmed your application. If you do not receive an SMS in a day's time, please go to feepayer.com and check. Okay, our team will also now be constantly in touch with you all. Once fees are assigned, we'll call you up and inform you that, you can pay your fees. But then it is my request that if you have confirmed your application, you have paid 100 rupees registration fees, and within a day's time, if you don't receive a fee payment message, please go to feepayer.com and check. And I'll go to share the PPT with you. You will have my number. Okay, you can call me up if you have doubts. And we have also given a video that will also be posted in a group that is for filling up the university form. So if there is any confusion that you are having, you can refer to that video. If you still have more confusions, more doubts, you can call us. But as I said, in the university form, be very particular about the college code, that is 163 for National College, and BCom code. It has to be plain BCom. No ANF. ANF is BAF. BI is banking insurance. FM is financial markets and others. So be very careful. It has to be 223-4x01. That is the code for BCom. So if you have any more queries, please do let us know.
So one query, please, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sure,
after
yes.
canceling the admission, I will get my refund.
एक सेकंड रुक जा यार, मैंने अभी वो स्क्रीन शेयर किया था. Just a sec, let me see.
The refund will be in
As per the
3 months'
university
time.
rule.
As per university rule, but in 3 months' time.
After 3 months, the refund will be come now, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
after 3 months,
See,
definitely the refund will come, but as per the rules.
See, we
Okay,
are
ma'am.
sharing the PPT. So in the PPT, it is written, okay. The
Okay.
guidelines for cancellation is also there. So kitna deduction hai, that is also mentioned. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
We will be sharing the recording of this meeting also if possible.
Yes. Sure.
Because see, there may be a few who haven't attended, but
Yes.
even if they see
I
the
will-
recording, it's not a
Yes.
problem. It will be better for reach.
Yes,
That's
sure,
all.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, surely.
After completion, I will transfer. all
Definitely,
the-
definitely.
Yes.
Ek second.
Somebody has
Junior,
written something.
yeah. Yeah, I'll just check it.
Yes.
I filled the form for becoming from university at National College. Yes, yes, you can. But first you have to register at the university site.
Dear student, any question? Any suggestion?